Hello everyone, welcome back to the second session of learning Scratch together. So in this session we're going to get more familiar with the Scratch environment, and then we're going to make a project called the superhero cat, or I don't know, I'm not good at naming, so you guys can name the project in the comment section. So let's just start the video. So for going to Scratch, we can use the app of the Scratch, the Windows app, or we can just easily type Scratch in here and go to the first site, just like the previous video, and wait a little bit because our internet is really weak, and click on the create button, and then there we go, we are in the Scratch environment. So right now, what do we have in here? Okay, so the first part is the stage. What is this stage? First, let me just tell you the meaning of stage. So here we got stage. Stage in Persian means sahne, right? Sahne. There we go. Yeah. Persian, stage in Persian means sahne. Stage, sahne. Okay. So, we just have one background in our stage. What is background? Or if you look at here, backdrop. What is background? Background or backdrop. Oh my God. Common mistakes, sorry. So, background or backdrop in Persian means pas zamine. Pas zamine. There we go. Yeah. So right now we only have just one backdrop, and it's just white and it doesn't have anything. So if you come closer, we have a button in here that has 4 options. Okay, the first option is to choose a background from the library. Okay, choose a background from the library. The second one is to paint a background. We get to paint one background for ourselves. That I'm not good at painting, so I'm not going to do that. The third one is that we tell Mr. Scratch, please surprise us and give us a random background. And the last one is for ourselves. We just upload our backgrounds, okay? The pictures, we just upload them, and we don't want to do that. So right now, we're going to choose a background from our library. See? So I kind of like this background. Let me just, yeah, there we go. It's kind of pretty. Okay. And we have our cat in here. So what is this? It's a sprite. What is sprite? I told you before in the first video. If you didn't see it, you should see it. Okay? And sprite means character. That's a hint. So we only have just this one. We only have just one sprite, and it's like a really default sprite. So I'm just going to change it to Avery walking is kind of cool. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, I kind of like this. Okay, but this one we don't need it because we need a hero cat. So let me just delete. For deleting a sprite, you get to just click on this button and say, are you sure you want to delete this sprite? And then say yes. And there we go. We don't have this cat, but we actually do want a hero cat. So there we go. We have a hero cat, a flying cat. So let me just put it right here. Okay. So right now we only have just a picture. Okay. It's only a picture. So if we want to move it, we are going to use these sections. So what are these sections? In this section, a motion, we're going to move our sprites, okay? If I click on this sprite, I'm going to move this one, okay? Before we work with them, I am going to show you this. We have 3 sections in here that I'm going to teach you this one, okay? Costumes, okay? So for Avery, if we click on costumes, we got 4 costumes. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, okay? So, but it doesn't change. Why it doesn't change? Okay, it just changed right now, but it doesn't change like it's running or walking right now. So we have to make it walk. If you remember the first words that I told you in the first session, if you go in the events, we always need to use this. When click go, our program will start, okay? So we want our program to work always, okay? So we're going to need a loop, okay? That loops always, that repeats always, okay? So in order to do that, we're going to go into controls and get a loop. It's a loop. See? It's a loop. But we don't have any blocks in our loop, okay? So it basically doesn't do anything. But for our Avery, I'm going to make Avery walk, okay? And let me just, okay, we go to motion. We put move 10 steps. Move 10 steps. But if I click on this right now, what will happen? See? Avery just goes in here. It doesn't walk actually. So if we really want to make Avery walk, we're going to use this. Let me just find it. Yeah, we're going to go in control, and then we're going to, let me just, sensing? What's that saying? Oh God, let me find it. Oh yeah, we're going to go in looks, and then we're going to, yes, we're going to pull out the next costume block, okay? It changes the costume. Now see what will happen. Oh, it's too fast. It's like running, but in a slow pace. Pace means, let me just type it for you real quick. Pace means gum in Persian. Okay, so it just runs in a slow pace, okay? So what we are going to do is to add a 1 second delay to it. So yeah, there we go. Wait 1 second and then run or walk or whatever. See? Now it is walking actually. But if we want to make it like more natural, we're going to let me just, when you click on this button, it stops, okay? Now Avery is stopped. So if we want to make it more natural, we're going to change the wait to half a second, okay? If we want to type half a second, we type 0.5, okay? It means half a second. So now let's see what do we have. See? That is so more natural. Okay. So right now we have Avery walking. Let me just check our time. Okay, we have Avery walking, okay? But our flying cat doesn't fly. It doesn't do anything, okay? So in the next video, I'm going to make our cat fly. So see you in the next video.